guys, so I wanted to chat a little bit. Got man here. I had to sit here because he kept crying because he wanted to be involved when I was trying to film another video over there, so I had to kind of change locations. So if you hear a noise, it's him purring because he purrs really loud. But he wanted to be involved, you know. I mean, he's so handsome. Getting distracted. I can't help it. He's so cute. I could see him in the thing. But I wanted to chat a little bit. I saw a lot of you guys' comments. A lot of you guys really liked when I kind of did a little bit. We talked a little bit about the beauty community and all that. And a lot has been going down. Can I say, I really miss when the beauty community was in the beginning stages. I truly do. And yes, there is still tons of creators out there who are honestly so awesome. I have a bunch. I plan on actually making a video of YouTubers I like to watch, both beauty community and then I'll do just like, like other types of content creators that I love to watch, and they are not problematic. So I will say there is a bunch of them still out there as a disclaimer, but I really miss when it was in the beginning of it. When I first made my first video, it was 11 years ago, and I miss it being like just normal, like people just talking to you like a human being. I don't like it all looking like it's a stage and everybody's expecting this HD, high quality, all these lights and all this high-tech camera. And granted, I have that stuff, but like I miss it being just more like this. More, it seems, I don't know, it seems more like human. It seems more personal. And I might be the only one. I know a lot of people do like the HD and all that, and I get that. It is nice. However, like, I really miss it having that personal touch and it seeming not like I'm watching a TV show. Granted, I do find if you're doing a tutorial and all that, even though people don't really like that as much, um, but that comes in handy to have really good lighting and a good quality. But like if you're just talking, I don't see the point of having all these lights and all this stuff. Like it seems kind of weird to have all that. Like, am I the only one who thinks like that's a little bit weird? I genuinely miss when it was just more, I don't know, just like people just kind of chilling, deciding, oh, let's just turn on the camera and just randomly chit chat, and you know what I mean, like not feeling the need to have so much like perfection, like just being more themselves, not feeling the need to have a persona and all that. And granted, I know a lot of people are going to disagree with me on that, and that's so cool, that's totally fine. um, but I genuinely miss when it was like that. I took a break for a minute and I tried to do like different things where I talked about horror movies and I talked about Mandela effects. I went over like conspiracy stuff for like TV shows and different conspiracy stuff that you guys asked me to. I did take in private all of them because I started to look too messy on the channel, where then when I was doing stuff, I was trying to make it a bunch because like as a person, I'm into a bunch of stuff and it interests me, all the different things, and talking about stuff you guys want to talk about, I always love to do that. But it started to look too messy, and I was like, it don't make sense. But maybe I'll do a separate channel where I can do different things like that. But I'm gonna go more back to my roots, and I'm gonna do it more, I don't know, OG style. I was looking at my older videos, and like low key, I kind of have regrets that when I first started doing videos, like you would get a decent amount of views for just chilling, just talking, you know. I get it. Everybody has sponsorships or affiliate links or all that, and I get it, okay? Like, that's gonna happen. And while there's nothing wrong with that, I do think sometimes it can be too much, where now I feel like as people are watching videos, like almost everything seems like it's an advertisement. It seems like a TV advertisement, like somebody's selling me something like on HSN or something. That's what it reminds me of. But like, I miss it just being just people talking about stuff they like, how they do things, chatting about their day. I love stuff like that. Like I said, there are still lots of creators who do that. I will make another video talking about some of my favorite creators I love to watch. And not just that, this is my next point. The amount of like drama. Like, why is there so much drama all the time? And like now it's not even like tea or drama. It's like literally like crazy criminal things where it's a problem, and it's really strange to me how this has become a thing. Just mind-boggling. A lot of it I didn't realize until a few months ago, where you guys kind of like brought things up to me, and I was like, wait, what? Because like I don't like, if you don't look for stuff like that, most of it won't come up. So I didn't know, and I didn't follow a lot of those people. But now since starting to look up, and there is something now every day, because once you start to watch those videos, more of them come up on your feed to watch. It's crazy. Like, it's just absolutely insane to me that there's always so much where it's like, just chill for a second. What happened to just talking about makeup? Just being fun, you know, like, no, just friends, whatever. Just chilling, having fun, talking about makeup. Um, I miss it being like that. And as I said, I'm going to keep saying it because people would keep writing it in the comments. And I know they will. There is still lots of creators who do that. But I wish the ones who did do that were more at the top rather than the people who like to have the drama, the tea, or the constant nonsense all the time be at the top. And I know some people are going to take this and not agree with it, and that's fine. I get it. Okay, I didn't say any specific names. You can take whoever you want, pick whoever, whatever. It's just weird to me. Like, it's super weird. Some people I was surprised by because, like, in the beginning stages of watching YouTube, I remember watching some of these people, and I would have never thought. And I'm talking about people who've been on here like 8 to 10 years, not like newer up and coming people. I would have never thought some of them would have been like how they are now with such humble beginnings, and it's kind of saddening because I saw, like, again, I saw some of you guys' comments on the other one and different things you guys wanted me to talk about, and I will talk about some of those things because I do find it saddening where it's like, what happened? And I get it, money, fame, all that stuff gets in kind of onto people and all that, but it's disappointing sometimes when it's like people with really humble beginnings and they were so different, and it's like, whoa, like, and it's so dramatic. um, I did see those comments. I totally agree. I know. I don't get it. I don't know. But then I'm not rich and famous, so I don't know. I wouldn't know. Oh, we got another kitty. Hold on. This is his mom, actually. Mama, mama, ignoring me, mama. But that is actually his mom. Oh, hi, mama. Sorry, I know we're in the middle of ranting, but isn't she pretty? Her 14th birthday just passed. Can't believe it's been 14 years, my little honey. She's 14. He's 7, gonna be 8 in November. And then my other kitty just turned 14 too. I love my kitties. But sorry, that was on a side note, but she actually came on camera. But yeah, that's his mom. But going back and talking, sorry, I know I get off of things, but I did see a lot of those comments. There's a lot of things I will talk about. I try not to get into certain things, but there are some things, like, as somebody who has been on here a while, like, I might not have all the subscribers and all the views or whatnot, but as somebody who was, like, kind of there watching it when it was first starting, and also making content. Like I said in my video I just did, I put a bunch of my old ones to private. It was because of the amount of people who would ask me where certain products were and they don't make them anymore. Specifically, and I'm so sorry, that e.l.f. 144 like neutral palette had like almost 500,000 views out of nowhere, and a lot of you guys wanted it, and I'm so sorry they do not make it anymore. So I did put that to private. I'm really sorry, but they don't make it no more. It was really good at that time, just because you guys asked about that. I don't have it no more. At that time for eyeshadow, it was really good, but like nowadays, it's like it's okay. I don't think it would be like no big deal nowadays. I actually don't think that would really sell nowadays. I'm gonna do a video on that too, where you guys wanted me to kind of touch base on some old products, or how they would do now. I'm gonna touch base on all these things. I got a whole set of things that I'm gonna do. I listened to you guys. I read a lot of your comments. I really appreciated it, and I'm gonna do my best to kind of give you guys what you want. I hope you guys like this more comfortable, sitting down, just talking kind of style, because this is how I feel like the most comfortable, where I feel like I'm being just like I'm talking to a friend, like you're sitting right there, and that's what I like. I just feel like it's really more authentic, and I'm just really just chatting, and I'm not thinking about it. I'm just going for it, and I like doing that the best. That's my favorite. I always have liked that the best. But yeah, that'll be it, and I think that's it, right? I think that's all I want to touch on for now. I kind of went on so many rants and tangents, but I want to make sure I touch on a majority of things, but I'm going to go in depth with certain subjects on their own video. But I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Well, man says goodbye. Say goodbye, baby. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know some things you guys want to talk about. I do have a set of things that I already plan on talking about, but I would like to know more what you guys would like to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Alright, bye.